Hey, junkies, what's going on? Listen, I wanted to do a quick video on something I see all the time. You think would be common sense, but apparently it is not. And that is when you deliver an appliance or after you work on the appliance, especially something involving water, a refrigerator, a dishwasher, or a washing machine. Run it before you leave. Physically watch it run. That sounds so simple and like common sense, but I get so many callbacks from other techs or contractors. They just didn't run the dadgum thing. Run the appliance. Make sure it works. Run the washing machine. Make sure there's no leaks. Make sure. We delivered one the other day. Hook everything up. We go to run it, and we hear water pouring out on the floor because the hose had popped off. Just wasn't on there good enough. Thank goodness we hurry up and get a shop back and clean that up, or you've got a large claim on your hands. Run the machine. I mean, it's just common sense. Run the oven. Run it. Especially if there's water. Run through the cycle. Make sure it's spinning. Make sure it's level. Do the right thing, man. You're there to make sure it's fixed and works. Putting the part on and just kind of clicking it on and going, yep, it's good. No. Run it through a hose cycle. Turn that dishwasher on. Run it through a cycle. Make sure everything's good, especially if it's got water. Man, guys, you'll pay a claim in a hurry and you'll be out of business in a hurry. I know this seems stupid probably, but I'm telling you, it happens all the time. And if you're watching, you know you've done it. Run the machine. All right, click the link, subscribe. We'll see you in other videos.